Love taking Buzzfeed quizzes and comparing your results with your friends? With a new feature called Quiz Party, you can now enjoy the fun of doing quizzes together with your friends. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to have a Buzzfeed quiz party. Now let's get started. To begin, go to buzzfeed.com/quizparty in your browser of choice. Then, browse through the featured quizzes on the main page, or select a category based on the type of quiz you want to do with your friends. Click on a quiz you want to do to select it. Now, type in your name and click Next. Buzzfeed will then automatically generate a unique party link that you can share with your friends to invite them. Click Copy Link, then send that link using whatever messaging service you prefer. Your friends can then add their name and join the party. As the host, you'll be able to see once your friends have joined in. When everyone has joined, click Start the Party. A countdown will appear on each person's screen. Then you can each go through the quiz. As you go through the quiz and answer the questions, your friends will be able to see how far into the quiz you are with a completion tracker at the top of the page. When you're finished answering all the questions, click Done at the bottom, then wait for your friends to finish the quiz. After everyone has finished, you'll be able to see everyone's results and compare. If you want to keep doing quizzes with the same group of friends, click Ready for the next quiz at the bottom. The host can then select another quiz for everyone to take. Keep doing quizzes for as long as your heart desires. That's all it takes to have a Buzzfeed quiz party. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one twice a week, every Tuesday and Thursday.